If you've recently moved to Australia, you best ensure you get expert and personalized tax advice to ensure that you're not paying excess or unnecessary taxes here. Australia can be the land of opportunity. You just need to protect your hard-earned income. There are so many ways to expend your money in Australia, from incredible holidays, sightseeing, or smashed avo. Your largest spending will likely be to the government slash ATO. Today, I will provide you with 4 Australian tax tips to ensure that you're not paying too much. Tip 1, tax residency. Australian tax residency is such a vital aspect because it dictates how much tax you pay, but also on what sources of income you pay tax on that. There's so many factors that affect Australian tax residency. Some of them on this list here. If any of these differ, then your tax residency situation will differ. The 4 main types of Australian tax residency: Australian tax resident, non-resident, temporary tax resident, and working holiday maker. I've linked ATO tax rates and information in the description below for you to take a look at. Tip 2, assets and income. If you've got income or assets from outside of Australia, be sure to note that you may need to declare this in your Australian tax return. The ATO and your home country, like most other countries, are all signatories of international information sharing agreements, so that you cannot hide assets and income as easily as you could previously. Tip 3, transfers. There are usually no tax consequences of transferring money that you've earned as a genuine non-resident into Australia. We utilize Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, to transfer money overseas or outside of Australia. We've just found it is the most cost-effective manner. If you want to utilize it, check out our link below, which you can get a discount on your first transfer. Tip 4, Medicare and the Medicare entitlement statement. Depending on your situation, you may or may not be eligible for Medicare. If you are not eligible for Medicare, then you must apply for the Medicare entitlement statement. This confirms that you are not eligible for Medicare, and this is then transmitted to the ATO so that they do not charge you Medicare or Medicare levy surcharge. The Medicare levy is 2%, with the Medicare levy surcharge going from 1 to 1.5%, which is an excessive amount of cash from your pocket if you're unable to even utilize it. Moving to Australia is an exciting time. You just need to ensure that you put yourself in the best possible position for your future. If you've got any comments about Australia, Australian tax, or Australian finances, please comment them below or reach out directly. And if you want to learn more about how specific and how important Australian tax residency is, then watch this video here. Thank you.